I'm ready. Hi boys and girls, welcome back to my channel. Today, we have a toy review video. Hi guys! We did a toy review for such a long time, so finally, I've been waiting for a toy review video. Okay, let's pretend it's a shark toy review, and guess what? Shark is a predator, and sharks' pups can grow in sharks' tummies, or sharks' moms can just lay eggs, and they're good predators. Okay, the toy we're gonna review is this. Let's pretend to be sharks, like chomp, chomp, chomp. This is a shark book and it teaches us about sharks, and it's a non-fiction book. And guess what? This is song. What is quick? What is quiet? What have 5 rows of teeth? What glides through the water? Shark. It's a shark. Sharks live in all of Earth's oceans. They have been here for a long time. Sharks were here before dinosaurs. How cool! Let's think. Maybe a dinosaur died and then a new dinosaur shark appeared. That's crazy. How about this? Monkey? Misha, let's get started. Opening. Hey, look what he has here. It's some fishies and a dice. And then we have... Mom, I need your help. Really, I do. Go get the other objects. Ooh, this is an instruction paper. I played the game. And look what we have here. It's a ginormous fat shark. Sounds like a shark, guys. Mommy, you and the shark matches. Great. These are our creatures, underwater creatures. Let's fish together. So the youngest person has to go first. And Misha is the youngest person in this video. So she's gonna go first. Okay, roll the dice, Misha. Oh, she had to get 2. You get 2 with your fishing rod. No, I need a hat. Get a hat. Okay, Misha. Pull it up, Misha. Oh, she's safe. Okay, Misha. You got 1. Should I put it for 1 more? Okay. No, okay. Let's see. Ooh. Pull! Safe! Great job! I have to get 1 fish, guys. Oh, okay, I'm safe. No, my finger. I'm ready, Daddy. Oh, you got 1 fish. You're safe. 2 fishies. I'm holding it, I'm cheating or not. Oh! Okay, I had to do that one more. Oh! Yay, I'm saved! Mommy, it's your turn. This game is bruh. Oh, you got two? Wow. Mommy, please. Woohoo! Ooh, Mom, good job. Good try. Okay, one more, just like me. Woohoo! So we're both safe. My turn. Oh, I got one. Okay, that's my other way. If it's pretty hard. Oh! So I got 3 fish so far, and my mom got 2. She got 1 kiddo. So we got the same amount of fish. Oh, I got 1 and I'm getting 1. Of course, I knew that. Okay. Oof. This is, my mom was right. This game is fun. Whoa. Okay, so I got 4. Hey guys, my favorite part of the game is when the circles chomp like that. And the best part is I really love this game because it's so fun and I really love you. This game with your mom, dad, sister, brother, or your friend. Well, it can't have 1 player. It should have 2 or 3 or 4, or it can have a lot, as much as you want. It can also be 2, but not 1. Either not 0, because then when it be 0, no one will play that game. I really love you, Sark. Of this game, you should buy it. I think you will love that game. So thanks for watching my video. Hope you subscribe my channel. Bye. Bye. Thanks for coming in my video. I love you. Bye bye. Bye bye bye. Bye bye bye. Bye bye. Okay. Guys, go in his mouth. Okay, let's take out the other object. Oh, a construction paper. This is gonna be fun. Okay, I got 1. I'm lucky. Now I guess this. Wait. Oof. Oh my god, no! Very good. Let's have 1 and 2 and 3, and I really get my sister. I really like that game. You're just the best shark ever. Chomp, chomp. Oh my god, I thought she didn't like the game because she didn't play with it. Oh, she really liked the shark. Oh, I'm going chomp, 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 chomp. Okay, let's do the chomp dance. Chomp, chomp, shake your hands. Chomp, chomp, and that. Chomp, 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 chomp. Turn around, twist your head. Okay, and that's a really fun dance. And the last step is the best step. Say bye-bye.